Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to create a video using AI tool. So first of all, here we can create a prompt. Create a prompt to generate a video for flying taxi. Company name is Fly Air. Then click submit button. Now in few seconds prompt will be ready and we can copy this prompt. Okay, after that now let me search for Topview AI. This one is the AI platform that uses Sora 2 AI. That is the most recent model of AI. Now here you can go and create your free account. Click here continue with Google. You can also create your account with your Apple. Now let me select my Google account and allow access. Here you have options to add images and links. Also you can add reference video. Here you can select different models. Now let me copy this prompt and after that edit here and press enter. Now it has started working on it. Still it is thinking and it can ask you some questions and modifications according to this. Okay, for example, here you can select the aspect ratio, video duration, so minimum 15 seconds. As in different other models, there is also option to create 5-second video, so it can take more time as this video is 15 seconds. So now it is still thinking. Okay, it can also ask you again like you can accept different terms and conditions, and you can also add some other instructions, and it can take a couple of minutes to ready your video and you can easily use that. And here you can see we have 10 free credits. So guys, after that I confirmed all the steps are okay. Now it has started working and generating the video, so it can take a couple of minutes. Now let's wait. So guys, here you can see our video ad is ready.
Leave the traffic behind. Embrace the sky.
Wow, that's looking very professional. And after that you can save this video in your laptop. You can also publish it. So in this way you can easily create more and more videos by upgrading your package.